Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn GIS Easily. In today's video I'll be showing you how to install ArcGIS 10.8 ArcMap step by step in a simple and clear way. If you are new to GIS or finding the installation process difficult, don't worry, I will guide you through everything carefully so you can set it up successfully on your system. Make sure you follow this step properly to avoid installation errors. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel for more GIS tutorial every week. Let's get started. So this is the installation. So I'm going to walk you through the installation of ArcGIS 10.8, which is the latest ArcGIS. So after you've downloaded your ArcGIS 10.8, so the next thing is to you right click on ArcGIS 10.8, then you extract file here. Let me click extract file here. So I'm extracting it. So it will take like a minute or so. Now from there, so after the extraction of the ArcGIS 10.8, so the next thing is to off our real-time protection, which is very important. So let me show you how to off real-time protection. You come to settings, then update and security. Come to Windows security. Under Windows security, click on virus and threat protection. So before you install the ArcMap, you must switch off the real-time protection, because if you don't switch off the real-time protections, you won't be able to crack it successfully. So to do that, you switch off your real-time protection. Let's off it. So I'll be offing it. So yeah, so this is it. Sometimes you can also off this one, but this one is the major thing. So let's go back to it. Now this is the software GIS. So let's open it and let's check. So this is the cracked versions. So I'll be going back to the software. So let me run the software. So you can save it anywhere. This is the browser. You can save it anywhere, but I'll be saving it inside the document. You click on next. Yeah, there's one already. So let me overwrite it. Let me overwrite. No worry. So when you are done, then you close it. So the next thing, you click on yes. So preparing the installation. So the installation of the ArcMap, believe me, it will take up to 10 minutes to 15 minutes. You accept. Click on next. You can also change it here. Next, install. So the installation will take several minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes. So you just have to calm down and leave your PC. I think the maximum it will take, let me just say 15 to 20 minutes. Maximum 20 minutes, take 20 minutes. So you just have to leave your PC to install successfully. So this may take several minutes, so just have to calm down, let it install. So we are still waiting for the installation, so it will actually take several minutes. Just have to leave your PC to be installing. So the installation usually takes several minutes, so you just have to calm down. Yeah, it is coming up now. So when you are done, you click on finish, then you click on OK. Click on OK. You don't have to press anything. So when you are done, now go back to the software. Sorry. You go back to Quark. You right click on this. Make sure you copy it. You copy the Quark version. Then you search ArcMap. You open file location. You navigate to file location. Open file location. The first time, then the second time you open it again. You open file location again, and you copy, you place it. So you continue. So after this, you can search ArcMap, then you run it. So we have successfully installed ArcGIS. So you see initial application. So the second thing you are going to see is loading application. In case if you don't copy the correct version, you are going to be seeing license. In that situation, your ArcGIS will not work. So if you can follow the procedure, believe me, you are going to install your ArcGIS 10.8 successfully. So just make sure you watch the YouTube video from the beginning to the end and follow it step by step. So it's still coming up. So this is the interface. So after you've installed your ArcGIS, then you come to customize. I want to show you something. Come to extension. Make sure that all your extensions is checked. Everything here must be checked. So after that, then you can close it. If it is not checked, let's say this one is not checked, you click it. Make sure that everything is checked, because this actually controls all the tools we are going to be using. So make sure that it is checked. So, and that is all for today's installation tutorial. By now you should have ArcGIS 10.8 successfully installed and ready for use. So in the next video, we will start explaining the ArcMap interface and learn how to use the software step by step for practical GIS work. If you encountered any issue during installation, feel free to ask questions in the comment or message me directly. So don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification so you won't miss upcoming GIS tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.